Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update Data Wing application on your Android or iOS device. If your Data Wing application seems a little bit laggy or slow, then you might want to find if it has the latest update installed on a device or not. First of all, open your Google Play Store or your App Store from your device and then go to the search bar and type in Data Wing. From the search results, look for the Data Wing app and then check if there is an update button available. You will see an update button instead of play if you have yet to download the latest version of the app. If you see the update button, tap on it immediately. If you don't, that means you are currently running the latest version of the app itself. After tapping the update button, your download of the latest version of Data Wing app will be finished. Soon after you do that, you can open up the application and continue playing the game. So that is how you update to the latest version of Data Wing on your Android or iOS. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.